hello guys, it's me, Justin, and I'm gonna play with my friends, Caden. We can stop Discord now, right, Caden? Okay, see ya. Yeah, we're gonna play with my friend Illuminati slash Caden, and I'm gonna play with his friends Raiden, and his Hippo Poop, and we're gonna play some squads today. Caden, will you get ready? Yeah, I can hear you. What about Raiden? Does he have a mic? This is just a skit, by the way. This is just a skit. We're actually not noobs. We're just gonna act like noobs. Yeah, but yeah. And this is gonna be on my channel. And this is not sponsored by Screenomatic. I just really want to make some videos with my friends. But I friended them and and I hope you guys enjoyed the skit. So bye bye. Okay guys, I've never played this game before. Did you guys where do you want to go? I died. I got killed by someone's trap. Whoa! Wait, what are we doing? We're gonna die. Wait, I just pulled something out. I pulled like a little glider or something. Do you want to go to these houses instead of Dusty? You mean Hippo? It won't let me. It's lagging again. It lag. Sometimes it lags so I can't break anything or open anything. And I can't go through anything. Well, did you fix it? Like when you like break. There's supposed to be a door right here, but I can't see. It's just like I can't break anything at all. A lot. It happens to me a lot. A lot, a lot. It won't let me do anything. Like, ow! Help! Help! And it just loaded. Guys, we're gonna make another round because that was too quick. Okay, we're gonna make another round of the. We're gonna make another round of a skit, because we died so quickly, and okay. So, God, I hope you guys enjoy the second part of the skit. See ya. Okay. Uh, I this is. I only played this game once with Caden. Huh? No, why? What? What do you... Oh, wait, you can change skins? No! Kaden! Oh my god, he didn't even tell me. Really, Kaden? Why didn't you tell me we could switch skin? What the... Why, Kaden? You never said we could change skins. But you never told us that. Tell me the truth. You never told us. Oh, yeah. Wait, did you just change your skin? Not your pickaxe? So, oh, okay. So not your contrast? Oh, yeah, because you can't even get a contrast. No, someone's at your house. Someone's at your house. Oh, Raiden. Raiden, have fun. I'll take the pistol just in case. I don't even... What? A pistol? All I have is a green pistol. I just found an AR. I just found an AR. What? Don't go to my house. If you see me in a house, don't come. I will come for you. I have an AR. That's even better. That's even better than having a normal AR. Ow! Help! Help! Ow! I'm at 1 health. I'm at 1 health. Help! I need bandages. Look at my health. Help! I can't. Someone's in my house. Die! Die! No! What the? I really hate this. I hate this game. So bad. Great. Yeah. Great. Raiden. Heba Poop's gonna die. Heba. Kaden. No, don't go. Get away. No, you're gonna die. You might die.
What's going on? Hopefully you guys are all having a fantastic day. I'm having a pretty good day myself. I gotta say, last night the new jailbreaker robbery has arrived upon us. Yes, you start. Get back together, or you're never leaving. Look, Grandpa, my foot's on your porch. What? I warned you, kids. Tina, turn the portal off right now. Go! Cover with this. General, the storm is gonna force people to hunt in the back. You never have enough, Cole. This is good. Good stuff. All right, man. Whoa. Echo. Man, this place is dangerous. Gotta be careful around here. All right, man. I'm turning 30 tomorrow, and I mean, it blows my mind.
Sorry. And I think this video is gonna end it here. I think this video is gonna end here. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And have a really great day. See ya!